Hey everybody, today I'm going to share with you a little DIY that I thought up to help save the cup holder in my car, because over time with putting say a drink bottle or coffee cup or just different things in the holder, it gets real sticky and dirty and all that, and we just had to get a new car, and I kept thinking I really don't want this to get so dirty like they commonly do. So this is what I thought up to do. It's so easy to make and so cheap, and they're disposable, and you could wash it if you want to, or they're so cheap and easy you could just, when one gets dirty, throw it away. But at the Dollar Tree I picked out this placemat, and they have a lot to choose from. This one just looked like it would be a good one. It's got a sticker on the back. I started to pull it off, but anyway, pull your sticker off, and I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down so that you can see what I'm doing. So this is really a good one because it's got these sections marked out, which are pretty much the perfect size. So the first thing you would need to do, though, is measure your cup holder, the inside of your cup holder, from one side to the other. And once you do that, then cut your squares, but have them bigger than what your measuring tape says, by at least 1.5 inches. So let's see, I need to, okay, so my cup holder is 3.5 inches across. So I'm going to take one of these, and half of 3.5 inches is about right there. I'm not really great in math, and I know there's a way to do this, I just don't know how. So I'm going to put that there and that there, and that should make it right. Well, do you know how many years it's been since I used one of these? Is there a way that you lock this down? I think they call this a compass or something. And that is completely gone off course. Okay. There's the circle along with where I messed up. It's real light, but that's okay. Once you get that circle made, then you open up your, oh, I see, it's got a little knob you turn there. Let me go around it one more time just to make sure that I have it correct. So maybe you can see that a little better now. I don't know. Okay, but you have your one circle drawn. Then bring it out about, I want to say, another inch or so. And put it back in your same hole and draw another circle. And this pencil is really not working. This is one of those videos where it's like nothing is going right. So there, I just need to get it a little tighter. Okay, it's working now. Okay. You should be able to see two rings, your inner ring, or your inner circle, and your outer ring. So what you do now is take your scissors, and this is really thin placemat material, which would, in my opinion, work better than a thicker placemat. But you just cut out your circle. And then where you have your inner circle, you just start making cuts. Make them just a little bit past that line. Not much, but just a little bit past that line. And go all the way around. Because when you put this in your drink holder, it needs to be able to bend up. See, I'm not going quite far enough with those couple. And I'm sorry sometimes I seem disorganized or not exactly knowing what I'm doing. I have it in my head, but sometimes I can't make things work like I want them to. But this is what you should have when you're done, is just this circle with this notches or whatever you want to call them. Now we're going to go outside to the car and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, this is my cup holders in my car. And my Hello Kitty mat. But anyway, here is the disc I made. You just put it in your cup holder and mash down. And if you can see in there, it just stays in there perfectly. It has where the edges go up, and it kind of helps protect the sides and keep things off the sides. And when you set your cup in there, then it sits flat now, but it'll just help keep it down. And so you can, like I say, use any kind of placemats, but I was telling you, because you have to cut the notches and it bends up, I think the thinner would work better. And when it gets dirty, just either throw it away or wipe it off and continue using it. So that is my little DIY tip for you. I hope you can use it and Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.